How to change workspace name and logo in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to change your logo and your workspace name in Wix Studio. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you can log into your Wix Studio account. After that, you will be in this dashboard. As you can see, this is my workspace name and logo. I want to change it. So first you can navigate to settings in the bottom left corner here and then navigate to workspace settings here and then you will be in this workspace settings. As you can see, this is what we are looking for. We can change our workspace name, maybe this one, and then you can also change your logo or you can upload your logo here. So I'm gonna change the workspace name to tutorials with Sena and I'm not gonna upload my logo, but if you want you can upload it. After that you can just click save here and it's done. If we go to Wix Studio again and if we click it, it's changed to tutorials with channel. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.